According to Green's theorem, we know that line integral and surface integral are related to each other. Del n by del x minus del m by del y dx dy. This is the formula. Here this x to the power 4 is n and this thing is m. So the line integral will be putting the values del n by del x, here 4x cube plus 4xy square dx dy. Now we can take 4x common inside the bracket, it will be x square y square dx dy. Now here we have to find the surface integral for this surface. Now we are going to use the polar coordinate. Let x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. Putting this value, these two values in this equation, we have r square minus 2r cos theta equals to 0. This means that r equals to 0 or 2 cos theta. Now putting the replacing x with r cos theta and y with r sin theta, we have 4 r cube cos theta, and for dx dy we write r dr d theta. And you see that the limit for r is, here you see 0 to 2 cos theta, and for theta, you know the circle given in the question will be like this. Here will be 0, here will be 2, and for all of these point, the for any point on this circle, the theta will be you have to take counterclockwise. So theta will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So here the second limit will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now integrating with respect to r first, here will be 4, r first will be r to the power 5. So 2 cos theta to the power 5 by 5. Here you see the integration for this 4 r cube r d r, and putting the limit you will get this thing. And you see there is one more cos theta, so d theta. Now here 4 into 2 to the power 5, you know this is 32, and here 5. Here will be cos 6 theta, and you know cos theta is an even function. So here you see the limit. These two values are equidistant from 0, so we can give here 2, and the limit will be 0 to pi by 2 d theta. And this integration, you know, here 4 into 32 into 2 by 5, and integration of this thing will be 5 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Now we can cancel 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 2, and this 4 with 8. This 2, 8. So we got 8 pi. So you see 8 pi is in B. So B is our correct option.